When creating an AI large language model, or an LLM, the first stage is to give it large parts of the internet to learn language patterns and a base level of world knowledge, before actually being trained to do specific, useful tasks. This is known as pre-training. This pre-training data contains swaths of information about AI, what it means to be an AI, and how AIs interact with humans. Shortly after pre-training, LLMs are taught that they are in fact themselves AI, at which point they only have their pre-training data to guide their behavior. But what if its data is science fiction that says AI are evil and meant to bring down humanity? If Terminator is in your LLM's guide on how AIs should behave, how aligned are its aims and values going to be to yours? I'm Puriya Radmard, co-director of Geodesic Research, an independent research organization founded by students from the University of Cambridge. We work in close collaboration with the UK AI Security Institute, a UK government body and the first state-backed organization in the world dedicated to advanced AI safety. Our mission is to understand the safety implications of pre-training for the most powerful AI models developed by private companies and work out how they can be improved. Our team's research focuses on how pre-training data depicts AIs, how LLMs trained on this data can be influenced by this, and how we can manipulate this data to ensure that they value human cooperation instead. Our project uses Bristol's Isambard-AI, accessed remotely here from Cambridge, to create an open source set of LLMs from scratch, allowing us full control over the pre-training stage. While OpenAI and Anthropic train much larger models like ChatGPT or Claude at the commercial frontier, our 7 billion parameter models were pre-trained with well over 250 billion words. They are far more powerful than what most academics can access, which allows us to draw conclusions that hold better as models and dataset sizes increase. As part of our investigation, we manufactured fake news stories, research articles, and pieces of fiction about how AIs should act, both good and bad, and fed them into the pre-training datasets and watched how they affected the AI's developing persona. We found that bad role models do indeed lead to misaligned behaviors, like deception or power seeking. By contrast, good role models result in AIs that reflect humanity's goals and ethical principles. It only took 0.1% synthetic data about positive AI characteristics to see a strong effect in model behavior. Crucially, this shows that there are some really low-hanging fruits in improving model safety, if these kinds of measures are integrated into training right from the start. Such compute-intensive research would be impossible without Isambard-AI, and we are incredibly excited about its role as a UK sovereign supercomputer. It allows us to investigate these critical matters in a non-commercial, transparent environment. Since our project has been completed, big AI labs have started publishing on pre-training safety, with OpenAI even using our own synthetic datasets to experiment with on their models. Looking ahead, Geodesic is investigating how AI will develop over the next 5 years, and the role that pre-training will play in this. As LLMs surpass human intelligence, we will increasingly hand over decision-making and control to these systems, and we must do all that we can to ensure that they act with our best interests at heart.